after Arvind Kejriwal got out from the Tihar jail, a war of words erupted between Kejriwal and Amit Shah. Hello, this is Amina and welcome to Mood Tiranga. After AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal took swipe at PM Modi's age, Amit Shah returned fired at Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal over his swipe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Kejriwal accused that Prime Minister Modi is setting ground for Amit Shah to take over as Prime Minister in future. Today, Kejriwal in his first conference after being released from jail attacked Prime Minister Modi as someone who wants one nation, one leader. Kejriwal said that BJP asked for India bloc's prime ministerial phase. Then he went on asking who will be their Prime Minister after Modi turns 75 next year on September 17th. This question was raised by Arvind Kejriwal because according to Kejriwal, PM Modi himself had made a rule in 2014 that people aged 75 will be retired. The quote of Arvind Kejriwal reads, "These people asked India bloc about prime ministerial phase. I asked the BJP who will be their PM. Modi ji is turning 75 on September 17 next year. He himself made the rule in 2014 that people aged 75 will be retired. They retired L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, Sumitra Mahajan." Arvind Kejriwal said that PM Modi will retire next year. Kejriwal claimed that Prime Minister Modi is seeking votes to make Amit Shah the Prime Minister. Then Arvind Kejriwal has accused Prime Minister Modi of being dictatorial by aiming to implement one nation, one leader. Kejriwal said that this can only happen by jailing opposition leaders and sidelining his colleagues in BJP. Kejriwal predicted that if BJP comes to power again, then Yogi Adityanath will be removed as Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister within 2 months, and this is to ensure that Amit Shah succeeds PM Modi next year after Modi's retirement. Amit Shah immediately responded to Kejriwal's claims. Amit Shah told reporters that CM Kejriwal is usually mistaken that PM Modi will step aside when he hits 75. Amit Shah gave clarification from his side that no age limit is mentioned in BJP's constitution. The statement from Amit Shah reads, "I want to say this to Arvind Kejriwal and company and India bloc that nothing as such is mentioned in the BJP's constitution. PM Modi is only going to complete this tenure and PM Modi will continue to lead the country in future. There is no confusion in the BJP." Then Amit Shah questioned Arvind Kejriwal's misplaced confidence. Then Amit Shah reminded Kejriwal that this is a temporary relief and not something that frees Kejriwal from the liquor policy case. Point we should note here is that Amit Shah gave clarification on their PM candidate that it will be Prime Minister Modi only as BJP's PM phase. But when it comes to claims of Yogi Adityanath being removed from UP's CM post, then at the time of recording this news report, Amit Shah has given no clarification. Amit Shah spoke only for PM Modi. What do you think could be the reason for Amit Shah for not issuing clarification on Yogi Adityanath? Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English for all the latest updates on elections.